drop in now.
Welcome back to the channel. After packing up camp, we head up to the end of Chicken Corners, taking the views. Alright, so today is day 5. Bernie's hiding her face, I don't know why.
So earthy.
They can't smell you on the camera.
Oh, but my face says a story.
So we're on Chicken Corners. We camped out here last night. We're heading out to the very end of it. Go check it out. Then we're going to split up. Half the crew is going Lockheart Basin, and then the other half is going to go with us. We're going to go over the LaSalle Mountains, over the LaSalle Mountain Pass into Gateway, Colorado, and then at some point today we're going to be down by Dolores. I believe it's Bolin Pass. We're going to be camping off of Bolin Pass somewhere tonight. Should be fun.
The track to the left. Yeah, it's not a huge drop. You make it just fine. It's just bigger than the other one.
The other side of that trail?
Yeah, this goes around there. Yep. So there's actually a trail that goes around over there.
Perfect for you.
So it opens up into a huge plateau over there.
Oh, does it?
Yeah. Done it before. I'll see the edge in a few spots. What? All right, we are at the end of Chicken Corners. This is the trail that goes out to the edge, out to a big plateau on the other side. It's a little sketchy, but it's not bad. All right, so walking. Around the edge. We've been washed out a little bit there. It's not bad. It's really not. And then you get this view. Right, look at that. Incredible. I mean, it's wider than it looks. Over there, it doesn't look like it's wide at all. I mean, it's still not really wide, but it's not bad. After spending some time enjoying the views and discussing the plans for the day, the majority of the group decided to take Lockheart Basin as their exit route. Turns out it wasn't the best choice. Lucky for us that we decided, even if the trailer could make it, it would take too long to do Lockheart Basin with it. It was a good choice.
Watch your left.
see exactly what way we're going to head into Colorado today. Probably Gateway. Probably going to go through Gateway, Colorado.
That's why I'm recording. You're dropping now.
I might hit my bumper. Like, I mean, maybe.
Coming down now.
There you go. Okay, so I hit my bumper.
You couldn't have hit it harder for the. Could have hit it harder for the TikTok.
No, this is the new bumper. No. Hey, Ray.
The storms from the previous days wreaked havoc on Lockheart Basin and made the trail much harder than usual. As they made their way through the obstacles, Craig had a little mishap with his Jeep and snapped his steering box, forcing the group to abandon his Jeep on the side of the trail overnight.
Oh my god. Yeah, we can do that. I can get one. Man, that thing looks really fun to drive though.
It's hilarious to me that you're steering. I'll make it there.
Wait, should we?
Overnight, Moab and the surrounding areas got hammered with rain. The following morning, getting to the Jeep proved harder than expected. Cane Creek was impassable, with a vehicle stuck in the middle of it. Eventually, they hiked across the creek. After walking across the creek, they found somebody on the other side that was willing to drive them out to the Jeep. Once they made it to the Jeep, they found the Jeep a few feet from where they left it, passenger side halfway buried in the mud, from a flash flood overnight. Luckily, the steering box that needed to be repaired was not buried in the mud. After a few hours of wrenching, the Jeep was fixed. After some digging and Craig using his front and rear lockers, the Jeep was free. So we're taking the back way from Moab into Gateway, Colorado.